Today, let's learn how to fix Reels not showing on Instagram on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone device and you want to fix this recurring problem that your Instagram Reels are not showing, I'm going to show you a few different methods that could be the cause of your problem. All right, so let's actually head on onto Instagram to show you what you can do. Of course, first of all, once you're on Instagram, what you actually need to establish is you should have a stable internet or Wi-Fi connection. All right, so double check over on your control center. If you're using iPhone over here on the top right corner of the screen, just pull down. And as you can see, you could see that you are connected onto a internet connection right now. And if you are, which is good. But if you are not connected onto a internet connection as of now, well, make sure that you guys are connected to one. And if the problem is still persist and your Instagram Reels are not showing, maybe you should try to connect on your cellular data and maybe try if that will work. Okay guys, so please just try both of Instagram Reels. So what you could do is actually check on your Apple App Store and check if you have updated or rather, if you have the latest version of Instagram. So search over here for Instagram and make sure that you are updated. And as you can see, I have not yet updated yet. So click on update and of course, wait for that. Wait for that to commence and finish its update. Now, if in the case that you have the latest version of Instagram already and the problem is still persisting, what you could do is do uninstall and reinstall the program. Now that's pretty simple to do. All you have to do is to long press on the application. And rather, let's actually try this one since it's currently updating over here. Let's just try this one. As you can see on this application, we have the Remove App option. So just click on Remove that and Remove App, and do that for Instagram so that you can actually uninstall and of course reinstall the program once again once you have uninstalled it just to reinstall it. Of course, obviously you have to go to the App Store and search for Instagram and then install it on your device. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. That is how to fix your Reels not showing on Instagram and iPhone. And please comment down below if it worked. Also,